Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and right now you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this week's video, we are going to be talking Jiggle all the way. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you're going to need to click that subscribe button. So with the theme of this video being Jiggle all the way, I thought it was only fair that I shared with you my top sets of Jiggle balls. Jiggle balls are usually a pair of connected balls with a free roaming weight or a solid weight inside, and they're used to give you a Kegel workout. I've selected my 3 favourite sets of Jiggle balls to share with you, and we're going to start off with the Jiggle balls from the Lovehoney Basics collection. These come to you in a great little solid storage case so you can keep them nice and clean and safe when they're not in use. These are made from a smooth coated plastic and inside they have free roaming weights weighing 56 grams. And if I just give them a little shake, you can hear those weights move about. They're connected via a body-safe string and they even have a handy removal loop so you can take them out nice and easily and safely when you're all done. Now, the best way to use Jiggle balls like these is to get your hands on some good quality water-based lubricant, pop a bit on the balls and a bit on the self before inserting one at a time. Now, what will happen is your body will naturally clench around them and hold them in place, but you can take things one step further by contracting your muscles on your own, by squeezing them and clenching around the weights. Now, if you're not entirely sure how to do that, just stop and start your flow of urine when you go for a wee, and they are your Kegel muscles. So that's really how you activate them, just stop and start weeing. Next up, we have the Lovehoney Main Squeeze Jiggle balls. Again, they have free roaming weights inside. Now, these differ to the Basics in the fact that they are much quieter. You can barely hear those Jiggle balls. They're slightly heavier and they weigh 60 grams. They're made from smooth silicone and it's a single mold, so they're seamless. They are connected via a firm piece of silicone, so there's a little bit of give but not much movement at all, and they have a silicone removal cord. The balls themselves have a slightly wider circumference, so they're easier to grip. So these might be a little better to use if you're a beginner or intermediate user. Again, all you need is a little bit of water-based lube, insert them slowly and gently, and then let your body do the work. And finally, we have the Easy Squeezy Jiggle balls. Now, these have a smaller circumference. They weigh 60 grams, so these are probably more suited to intermediate to advanced users. Again, they're made from a single silicone mold, so they're seamless and they have that handy retrieval cord, meaning taking them out is an absolute breeze. Now, these have a hidden secret in the fact that they actually change colour. So I'm going to dip them in this penis mug of warm water just to show you what you can expect. You can see they go from a rich purple to a bright pink just with a little bit of heat. So they will react to the heat of your body and change colour. Again, a little bit of water-based lube will go a long way and really help you to get the most from your Jiggle balls. There you have it, Jiggle all the way. And I didn't even sing, so everyone's a winner. If you have anything you'd like to add, please pop your comments in the box below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you never want to miss another, hit that subscribe button. For notifications, click the bell. And if you just can't wait till next week, well, don't worry, there's another video coming up right now. I've been Annabelle Knight, and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye.